Hey everybody, Rob Booker here, and I have been testing out a brand new software package from my friend Marcus. Now, I've known Marcus for 10 years. He's made hundreds of thousands of dollars trading in the markets, and well, way more than that even. Anyway, more about Marcus in a minute. I've been testing out his software. I'm always on the hunt for ways to scan for and find more trade setups. And I don't want to look through 12,000 stocks at a time. I want something that filters through all of those opportunities. I want something that's easy to use. That's important. I don't want a lot of buttons and a lot of features. I want it to be simple and easy to use in just a few moments. And I want it to have a proven performance report. And he sent me a test drive of the PowerX Optimizer software. I'm using it in my browser. It's just a test drive, and I'm going to buy it. So I'm going to tell you why I'm going to buy it, and I'm going to show you how it works in this video review that I do right here. So is it worth it? Is it not worth it? Find out. I'm going to do a screen share, and I'm going to walk you through exactly why I love this software right now. So what I love about the software is if I just jump over here and I click reset to default, and I just use the default settings on the PowerX Optimizer, what I'm going to get is a couple of stocks narrowed down from the complete universe of all the symbols in the world of just a couple of stocks that I should be taking a look at that meet the criteria for the PowerX system, the PowerX Analyzer system. So I run that symbol, and I don't have to like sift through 7,000 stocks. I don't have to chart 50 different things every single day. I don't have to I don't have to use a bunch of complicated analysis. It's all built right into the system. So it runs the scan. I click scanner, and then I get two symbols, MTOR and pump. And if I just look at these two, for example, if I just look at these, not only do I get an sort of according to the PowerX Analyzer, I don't just get the symbols, but I get some recommended prices, the maximum that I should pay for something. So buy to open at 25.77, a position size, which is such a giant question in so many people's minds. But then a suggested profit target, which is, right, we're always like, how much farther can this move? Where can this go? Well, statistically speaking, it looks like this has the potential to go to $31.46 a share. That precise number is so helpful to me and inspires so much confidence. And then it's got a stop loss. We all know that managing our risk is such a big deal. And under the optimized tab here, I'm looking at a 1 to 7 risk to reward rate, risk to reward ratio. That's amazing. 1 unit of risk, 7.79 units of reward. So the big question is, well, then how do we know if this is really going to work over the long term? Well, what I love about it is it gives me a report on the past performance, the total amount of profit over the course of the last year, $6,300 performance, a 63% return over the last year, 9 wins, 6 losses, 60% win percentage, a profit factor of 3.75. Average win is 958. Average loss is 382. The average win is so much bigger than the average loss. Gives me the average trade length and the longest trade that was open. Not only does it do that, but it also gives me an options tab. So if I want to use options to express this opinion, it will give me a conservative in the money suggestion and an at the money, which is kind of a medium aggressive position. And sometimes those are the same. And in this case, it's the same option for certain stocks. But what if I like shorting stuff that's garbage? I can also do that. I can look at this pump, Petro Holding Corp. And I can then apply my own fundamental research. I can look this up on Yahoo Finance. I can take a look at their earnings. I can see if this company is garbage. I can read the transcript of the latest earnings call, and I can find out for myself, do I like this financial instrument, or do I think it's garbage also, along with the PowerX Analyzer? And so the optimizer gives me an idea on a position size. And if I want to express this opinion in options, it gives me a couple of options trades that I can use instead of actually trying to short the stock in cases where that might be a little bit more difficult.